He is holding shares of Parag Milk Foods at 230 rupees, and he's also holding Coal India at 236 rupees per share. He's looking for a technical and fundamental view. He's asking whether he can average at current levels. The thing is, he's got a pretty short-term view, so he's looking to hold only for the next 6 months to 1 year. Both of the stocks that he's talking about, Bhavesh, have hit a 52-week low today, underperforming, particularly Parag Milk Foods. So let's quickly go to Jignesh with a technical check. The question really is, he's holding at slightly higher levels. Should he average at these levels, and what level should he watch out for?
I think Parag Milk, if we see the chart, it is already making lower tops and lower bottoms, and obviously when it is trading at 52-week low, you cannot expect a chart to have a good picture on it. I think currently Parag Milk suggests to get out of it. I think from the current level, the stock has even more downside opened up today, because it has given a breakout on the down flag pattern. Now, if I see the Coal India, I think chart structure of the Coal India is also not looking very good, but the Coal India has the only hope that the stock has recently tested a low of about 217. I think Coal India can be held with a stop loss of 215. You can be just hopeful for Coal India, because the chart is already lower top and lower bottom, but I guess 215, if it holds, I think stock can give a bounce till 215, 220 some levels. So viewer can get out of Coal India after he gets a bounce. Currently, he can hold with a stop loss of 250.
Okay, so hold on to Coal India.
Also had a question on Parag Milk Foods with a fundamental view. I hope that answers your question, Raj. With that, I'm going to move on to the next one. This one comes from... okay, so this one is on Bandhan Bank. It's a short-term view that Paddy Mishra wants. Let's pull up Bandhan Bank, and we can take a technical check with Jignesh at 414. It's down 2.3%. Jignesh, would you sell Bandhan Bank, or would you buy Bandhan Bank at this point?
I think it is better to sell Bandhan Bank today, because even short-term charts are looking very bearish. Long-term charts are obviously bearish, but with the current chart structure, I think the counter has very important resistance at 418 levels. I don't think price is ready to break 418 soon on the upside. So it is better to create a short view on Bandhan Bank with a stop loss of 418. With the target of 405.
Okay, and I believe, because he says that this is a short-term query, he wants to know about the technicals. Jignesh, 3 stocks. If any of them really have caught your eye, then perhaps you can talk about them. If they haven't, then you can just say that they haven't. Optifiber, Indiabulls Housing Finance, and Jain Irrigation. Which of these is the best bet in the near term?
Optifiber, Jain Irrigation, and what was the third one you said?
Indiabulls Housing Finance.
Okay. I think all of them look pretty bearish currently, even on their short-term chart as well as on the long-term charts. I don't think any stock is viable at current stage. Only thing that viewer can look at currently is Jain Irrigation at trading at its historical support levels. I think from last 3 months the counter is taking support from 56, 57 levels. So if Jain Irrigation survives this support, and if it goes above 62 some levels, then Jain Irrigation can be bought for the bounce expectation, and it can go to 76 some levels if it can cross 62. But currently none of them look attractive. Only Jain Irrigation if it goes above 62.
Okay, Jignesh, if you can come in on Sequent Scientific as well for the technical chart. We have Saurabh on YouTube who wants a near-term view on Sequent Scientific. It's currently trading at 77. It's down 5% today. What's your view here, Jignesh?
I think Sequent Scientific, this stock price is currently today it is taking a beating, but just because it has given a good rise, I think it is profit booking that is going on currently. This stock can be held with a stop loss of 72 rupees. 72 rupees is the earlier high of this counter on a high of the earlier consolidation. So I think it will act as a good support. 72 should be the support, and target should be again the earlier highs for the counter were 88, 89 levels. So I think this stock can be held with a target of 80.
What would you suggest? It's up as much as 10%. Jignesh?
At 350, it is a good sell with a stop loss of 367 on the higher side and target of 320.
Okay.
HDFC Standard Life then, Jignesh, with you. Rahul Katare wants to know the technical view on HDFC Standard Life.
I think it is not a good chart to hold. I think stay away is my advice.
Okay,
and Zamir wants to know about Adani Ports. Can we take a technical view here? Adani Ports is under pressure. Jignesh, what's your view?
I think it is under pressure. Short selling is my view. 349 should be the stop loss with a target of 335.
Okay.